This video is not about the art of physical theatre itself, but about embodied cognition and the importance of developing practical methodologies for the education of actors and dancers as future researchers. What is embodied cognition? Cognition is a faculty possessed by all living organisms through their physical structure with which we know reality, its environment, and the different types of interaction that we generate. Therefore, embodied cognition is something that is always happening in us as living beings that possesses a body. It is important to understand that cognition is not just something that happens to living beings like humans, as if cognition were the apex of knowledge of the human being, but is something that we share with all living beings. Cognition, according to Maturana and Varela, is the activity that involves the self-generation and self-perpetuation of living systems. In other words, cognition is the very process of life. So when we begin to move our body in multiple ways, it enhances the ability to know ourselves in the dynamic interaction with our environment as cognitive entities incarnated in a body. That process opens up the possibility to much greater and more diverse experiential range, being also rich in possibilities to dynamic interactions and creativity. That is why embodied cognition is something that involves us deeply, because we are made of cognition and we are designed to know. We are made to know.